Hi, my name is Dr. Sameer Karkhanis, and I lead a global edtech company, Yangpo Executive Education. We are a 4-year-old edtech startup, and we represent some of the biggest brands in the world as their enrollment partners. So, some of the great brands which we are proud to associate with are the Harvard Business School Online, ISC Business School Barcelona, the NMIMS University, and the prestigious Wellinger Institute of Management. So we take care of their marketing, student acquisition, and the entire coordination to give a great experience to the learners across the world. So as I told you, we are a pure play admission and enrollment services company for leading universities in the world. Okay, and COVID, the way it stuck across the globe, created immense challenges in terms of communication, in terms of lead management, in terms of campaign performances, and all putting this all together, on a very user friendly platform, because people were working in remote, and as a company, Yangpo works on different time zones throughout the day. So these were some challenges which we were trying to address. How do we do that? And as we were continuing to figure out a solution, we found a great partner in Extra Edge. Okay, and it was such that they are very user friendly. We know as a company we use the best of the tech from the best of the companies, so whether it could be a Salesforce or any of those likes, right? But then ultimately the challenge every marketing organization faces is to bring everything on the same platform and the table, and this was where we really found Extra Edge in terms of their customization, in terms of understanding our challenge and helping us to integrate so many different university campaigns on one single platform. So this was a great help for us during the COVID time. We are a complete virtual company. We operate from different parts of the world, and our sales and admission teams are spread everywhere. And now having everything on a single dashboard of Extra Edge is really something amazing. So very clearly, user friendliness, the UI UX experience to deal with the platform is something which is one of the top criterias we chose Extra Edge over anybody else. Okay, and then the support is phenomenal. It is not like a hardcore tech company or a martech company where you really speak to the emails or you speak to machines on automated. Here we give a call and we have a key account manager and a technical support team available to help our teams wherever we get stuck. So that is what we really respect and appreciate when it comes to Extra Edge. So as a leader of such a growing organization, I need to have data at my fingertips. Okay, I like very simple dashboards. I'm not that very high tech person, even though we deal in high tech complex businesses. But the idea is to have a very simple platform where information can be pulled out very easily. That feature is something in Extra Edge which has really helped us. At the end of the day, I am really able to figure out every single executive how he has performed during the day. So the matrices and the KRAs we were able to plug in the Extra Edge software, and the dashboards give us those kind of desired outcomes. Also the kind of spends which we do and which are huge when it comes to digital campaigns which Yangpo conducts for the various brands. We are a very focused company when it comes to performances, and because of the integration which Extra Edge has done with all our digital campaign agencies, our performance partners, and so we are very clear. So we have three legs. One is the spends which we do on websites, on the performance marketing side, on the social media side, our call center, or what we call as the inside sales. All this put together gives us the outcomes which we desire for enrollments for our partnering universities. And all of this now comes together on the Extra Edge platform. And at the end of the day, as a CXO, I am able to really find out what's happening in different parts of the world with our sales and marketing teams. So that's a great feature I really go for when I look at a enterprise software like Extra Edge. So I have already recommended Extra Edge to many of my friends in the education ecosystem. And again, I'll tell you why. Amazing customer service, and really they understand our needs. Very important. See, because every time I cannot negotiate with your CEO, but the operational teams makes the difference. So my teams are very, very happy. We get very, very good proposal from your competitors, okay? But we have not budged in spite of the pricing or whatever could be the case, because about the service, about your teams across the vertical. So I have interacted with many of your operation teams, your business teams, your CEO, and we realize the way you all work in a personalized manner is something which any growing startup like us would need. And also for the same reason, I have been recommending Extra Edge to many of my counterparts, who are into the similar line of business.